Take
Good
it
morning,
away.
everyone. We are coming to you live from Westport Whiskey and Wine. I am Julie DeFront. This is David DeVoe. I am with Skurnik Wines, and David is with Indigenous Selections. So we are coming to you in solidarity with this horrific thing that we are all having to deal with together, to bring you the joy that is in our world and that we can bring to you. So many of you know Chris Zaborowski as being your bourbon go-to person. What many of you may not know is he is phenomenal at picking out wines for you. So when Chris picks out a selection of wines for you, as one of his clients recently said, it is like getting the best box of chocolates. You don't know what you're getting, but they're all delicious. So what we've done for you today is we have put together, for all of that dried pasta and red sauce you've got going on, a selection of these beautiful Italian wines. So we've got 6. We are going to have them just ready to grab and go, complete with your little card that gives you some food and wine pairing suggestions, and it's a tremendous bargain. So David DeVoe is with Indigenous Selections. He's going to talk a little bit about these wines.
Thank you, Julie. So yes, let's all try to have a little bit of fun while we're all on lockdown. This is a great opportunity to make use of all that dried pasta and red sauce and everything else you loaded up on at the grocery store and all that takeout pizza. The Italian grab-and-go 6-pack. This is awesome. So we've got a card here that tells you all about the wines and gives you all the food and wine pairing suggestions that are simple and easy. All the wines here are organic, single vineyard, small producer. They're exceptional wines for a great price, and Westport is offering a fantastic price for this 6-pack. And the name Indigenous, this is fun. Think about this while you're at home on this lockdown. It comes from the fact that there are over 2,000 indigenous grapes in Italy, and during this lockdown, I challenge everyone to get through every one of them. We'll have some fun with this. And if you like the 6-pack, we also have some other suggestions from the store that are available that are also Italian. This is a great opportunity to expand your wine horizon. Julie?
So yeah, I mean, do we want to talk just a little, very briefly, about some of the wines? We've got your bubbles covered. We have extremely high quality Prosecco for you guys. We have a Verdicchio, which is going to go with all of your cream sauces. It's your salad wine. This is a little bit of your Sauvignon Blanc substitute. So, you know, something for kind of everyone here. Let's see, what do we have? Primitivo. This is our Italian version of Zinfandel. So charcuterie, meats, etc.
Absolutely. Burgers,
what do you have over there?
What we have over here, we have Barbera, one of my favorites. I really firmly believe that well-made oak-aged Barbera speaks to the American palate. It's got beautiful, big, brambly fruit. It's got a little bit of grip on the back end. It goes great with pizza, burgers, steak. It's also really tasty by itself. And then we've got Nebbiolo, which is the grape of the famous Barolo and Prosecco wines. This is screaming for some fatty meats. And over here, we've got Sangiovese, which was designed by nature to go with cooked tomatoes. Nothing goes better with tomato sauce than Sangiovese.
Yeah, so something for all of your needs here. And do you know what Chris is charging for this?
We do. This is on sale as a special lockdown Italian grab and go back. It's normally $115. We are offering it for $75 a 6-pack.
Dang.
I know, it's a great bargain.
Wow. Okay. Well, there you have it. Everything you need. One-stop shopping. Thank you, Westport Whiskey and Wine, for bringing us the better stuff.